Hey everyone, Anwar here. The digital world is amazing. Streaming, gaming, connecting with friends, running businesses, but it comes with risks from people who want to steal your data, money, and identity. That's why today we're diving into cybersecurity, specifically CrowdStrike. We're talking about a company on the front lines, battling cyber threats every single day so you don't have to. Think of them like digital guardians with seriously cool tech. We'll break down how CrowdStrike is changing the game with their powerful cloud platform and elite threat hunters. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the heart of CrowdStrike's operation, the Falcon Platform. This isn't your grandpa's antivirus software. This is a cloud-native beast, protecting all your devices. No matter where you are, Falcon uses lightweight agents on your devices, monitoring everything in real time. It analyzes behavior, spots suspicious activity, and uses machine learning to detect threats before they become a problem. CrowdStrike processes massive amounts of data at lightning speed. No lag, no slowdowns, just pure unadulterated protection. Falcon uses lightweight agents on your devices, monitoring everything in real time. It analyzes behavior, spots suspicious activity, and uses machine learning to detect threats before they become a problem. CrowdStrike processes massive amounts of data at lightning speed. No lag, no slowdowns, just pure unadulterated protection. CrowdStrike takes AI to a whole new level. Lightweight agents feed data into advanced AI models that learn and adapt to the threat landscape. These AI algorithms can predict what a hacker might do next. They spot threats that traditional security solutions would miss, like zero-day attacks and unknown malware. CrowdStrike's AI is like the Sherlock Holmes of cybersecurity, always one step ahead. CrowdStrike doesn't just protect your devices, they protect your entire ecosystem. They use a zero-trust model, assuming every device, user, and connection is a potential threat. CrowdStrike also monitors vendor and partner connections, managing supply chain risks. They're building a fortress around your data, securing every entry point and vulnerability. No stone is left unturned in their comprehensive protection strategy. CrowdStrike's cloud-based architecture is incredibly scalable. Whether you're a small business or a global enterprise, CrowdStrike can grow with you. They integrate seamlessly with other security tools and services. You don't have to replace your entire security infrastructure to benefit from CrowdStrike. As your business grows and the threat landscape evolves, CrowdStrike adapts and innovates to keep you protected. So there you have it, folks. CrowdStrike isn't just another cybersecurity company, they're the real deal. From their revolutionary cloud-native platform to their elite threat hunters, CrowdStrike is changing the game. They're using cutting-edge technology, robust threat intelligence, and skilled human expertise to protect businesses of all sizes. If you're serious about protecting your data and business, get serious about CrowdStrike. Invest in the future of cybersecurity today. Palo Alto Networks, Inc. and CrowdStrike Holdings, Inc. are both leaders in cybersecurity, but they focus on different approaches and solutions to stop cyber attackers. Here's how Palo Alto Networks differs from CrowdStrike in stopping attackers. 1. Core focus areas. CrowdStrike specializes in endpoint protection and threat intelligence, emphasizes a cloud-native approach with lightweight agents for monitoring endpoints, focus on preventing, detecting, and responding to advanced threats, targeting devices and workloads. Palo Alto Networks provides a broader portfolio encompassing network security, cloud security, and endpoint security, known for its next-generation firewalls, NGFWs, which focus on securing network traffic alongside endpoint and cloud security. 1. Primary products and solutions. CrowdStrike Falcon Platform, a cloud-native endpoint detection and response (EDR) solution that leverages AI, behavioral analytics, and threat hunting for endpoint security. Focus on lightweight, agent-based protection. Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls, NGFWs, offers advanced network security with intrusion prevention, deep packet inspection, and application-based controls. Prisma Cloud focused on securing cloud workloads, applications, and data. Cortex XDR, a solution for detection, investigation, and response across endpoints, networks, and the cloud. 1. Approach to threat prevention. CrowdStrike Endpoint-centric stops threats directly at endpoints using behavioral analytics and AI-driven detection. Proactive threat hunting. Continuous threat hunting by the Falcon Overwatch team. Focus on zero-trust endpoint strategies and swift remediation. Palo Alto Networks network-centric. Protects against threats as they travel through the network with features like deep packet inspection, URL filtering, and application whitelisting. Comprehensive protection combines endpoint, network, and cloud visibility for unified threat detection. User behavior analytics monitors user behavior across networks to detect anomalies. 4. Targeted threat mitigation. CrowdStrike, strong against fireless and memory-based attacks on endpoints, excels in real-time threat intelligence and global telemetry correlation via threat graph. Palo Alto Networks, focused on securing network boundaries and internal traffic against threats like lateral movement, phishing, and malware. Strong in preventing credential theft and securing applications with its zero-trust model. 5. Deployment models. CrowdStrike 100% cloud-native, offering a seamless experience without the need for heavy infrastructure. Ideal for organizations seeking rapid deployment for endpoint protection. Palo Alto Networks combines hardware, software, and cloud-based solutions. Offers physical firewalls, virtual firewalls, cloud-native security options for hybrid environments. 6. Key differentiators. CrowdStrike lightweight endpoint-first approach, industry-leading threat intelligence and managed threat hunting, specialized at protecting against sophisticated endpoint threats. Palo Alto Networks, stronger emphasis on securing networks and cloud environments. Comprehensive portfolio covering endpoints, network, and cloud in a single ecosystem. High scalability for securing complex enterprise networks. When to choose which? Choose CrowdStrike if your organization prioritizes endpoint security and needs lightweight cloud-native solutions for devices and workloads. You want advanced threat intelligence and proactive hunting for endpoint-focused attacks. Choose Palo Alto Networks if you need comprehensive network security or protection for hybrid cloud environments. You are looking for a unified solution to secure networks, endpoints, and cloud workloads with a zero-trust approach. Both companies are leaders in their respective domains, and many enterprises use their solutions in combination to achieve a multi-layered cybersecurity posture.